what happened was is that I actually got called during the disinfection kind of wave where, you know, everything was closing down. So I had gotten a call from a pastor of a church, and this church was in the next town over, and it was, you know, not far, less than an hour. It was about an hour from me. I was already researching disinfection services. The one thing that you want to make sure that you're doing, even if you don't actually get the account or get the job or whatever, you want to make sure that you are actually educating the people in what they need and what they don't need, as opposed to just trying to get the money from them. Because what happens is, in the end, they remember that you were actually not somebody that was there to just try to get money, but you were trying to solve their pain points and make life a little bit easier for them. When I got this church, what happened at that point was he told his presiding elder what I was doing for their church. And I hate to say it, but they were kind of boosting up the prices on this disinfection when it really didn't need to be, because a lot of people were trying to get rich off of one job as opposed to building and building and building and stacking and stacking. So they decided to tell everybody within their district, everybody within their region. So I ended up being contracted to do over about 70, 80 churches in this area. So I think that the main thing that really got me to the point where I was able to make such a large amount of money in a short period of time. So we were able to get to a point where we were able to get churches that we never even advertised to because of word of mouth, because in the beginning I educated the client,